The news that we are following at the moment, sources have told India Today that the company's 3 Sun Pharmaceuticals has violated 83 critical observations out of the 364 violations during the joint inspection that was done. Now, the epicenter of the deaths because of the presence of over 45% of diethylene glycolate in the cough syrup in Madhya Pradesh is Chandwara. Now, it was in 2011 that Treason got the license. The renewal happened in 2016. The central government, in fact, did not have any information on this firm. The Cdsco will now be conducting inspections. They'll be testing and audits that will take place on all the companies that are manufacturing cough syrup. My colleague Sneha Murdani is now joining me on the story. Sneha, this is big revelation which has happened at the moment. We understand that the government will now be conducting inspections. There'll be massive testing also that will take place. Audits will also take place.
That's right. In fact, this is obviously in the wake of the tragedy that we've seen play out in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Inspections need to be done because the sense is on the part of the regulator that there is no reliability when it comes to states reporting to the Cdsco, which they're supposed to be doing on the database. In fact, this is a fallout of the fact that the Tamil Nadu government had not informed the regulators, the Cdsco, about this firm to begin with, and this is what sources are indicating within the Cdsco. In fact, in the year 2020, the government and our sources are indicating that there was a campaign to build some sort of a centralized manufacturer database, and it had communicated to all states that you must tell us about these firms. Treason Pharma at that point in time had not been registered. Who's responsible? Clearly, the Tamil Nadu Drug Authority is responsible for this entire situation. Also, the state FDA should have been accountable to the Cdsco. Health is on the concurrent list, which means it's on the joint responsibility of the central government and the state government in question. States are actually not really under legal obligations, but at least registering this firm would have brought, on it. At least the Cdsco would have taken note that such a firm exists. Always the database is to understand that there could be lapses, if there is a manufacturer which has a, tainted sort of a record.
Right.
And this is the concern that for some reason, the Tamil Nadu government was not doing it. That's what I am.
Right. Thank you, Sneha, giving us all those details. Sneha also very importantly pointed out that we are now seeing that it was the Tamil Nadu government that had failed to flag off this particular company. This is the company which now is under the scanner.